How to go live on TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily go live on TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your TikTok and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, before we go any further, there are some requirements for you to go live on TikTok, which I'm going to show you right away. So here I'm on the TikTok support live. So here you can see who can use TikTok live. So you have to be at least 18 or old to go live, and if it's 19 in South Korea because their age is different, and you will be able to send and receive gifts during live. And this is the major one. You need to have at least 1000 followers to go live. It may vary across the region, but these are the primary requirements to go live on TikTok. As you guys can see here, I do not have 1000 followers, so I'm not eligible to go live. But what you can do is tap on this plus icon right here at the bottom, and right besides the photo and the text icon, you will find the live. So here is an example of that. Here you will find the templates and then the live option. And if you tap on go live, you can start live. And if you want, you can also add guests and invite people. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.